First, you're going to open up your broadcasting folder, create a new folder called Blood Drive. Next, you'll go back to Canvas. Click on the link that says Blood Drive Clips. Select all of your clips. Click Download. It's going to put your files together, zip them together in a folder. It's going to take about 1 minute. Choose your broadcasting folder and choose the Blood Drive folder that you just made and save. Now open up your Blood Drive folder and right-click on the downloaded folder and click Extract. And this will take your clips out so that you can use them in Premiere Pro. Now we will open up Premiere Pro, do New Project, change the file name to Blood Drive in the upper left-hand corner here. Click on the drop-down menu, do Choose Location, and go to your Blood Drive folder, Desktop, Broadcasting, Blood Drive, and then choose Folder. And from there you can click Create. Now we will import our clips. Double-click in the bin, go to your folder, Broadcasting folder, Blood Drive, your newly open clips. Click and drag a box around all of the clips and press Open. Next, you want to click off, deselect your clips, choose your wide shot, drag it into your sequence area, and you have now created a new sequence. Drag your playhead to 1 second. You will see it's right there next to the preview monitor. Drag your audio in and put it at that location. Next, we're going to adjust the volume of our audio so that we can hear it. You need to expand the tracks. You can't hear because she's too quiet, so we will adjust her audio.
VHS. You beat the goal for your last week's blood drive. We collected.
She counted down 3, 2, 1, so we just need to listen. There she said 1. Trim. Again, we want to drag this so that it starts at about 1 second. Drag our playhead towards 1 second.
Congratulations, GHS. You beat the goal for your last week's blood drive. We collected 63 units of blood, beating the goal of 58. This blood will be used as help.
Okay, so we want our clips, our B-roll, which is our video covering our narration, to be between 3 to 4 seconds long. You can click and drag on the end, trim it, and it will tell you duration on the little box at the end of the clip. We're going to do that again, find our second shot. Again, we're going to drag it down to a duration of 3 to 4 seconds. You choose. And we're just going to piece these pieces together, make sure that the pieces are different each time so that they don't look the same, and drag them so that they're 3 seconds a piece. Just need to go in, drag your clips, trim them to 3 seconds, and finish up covering the narration. Then you want to find the end of the narration, and you want to go 1 second forward to give your clip some padding at the end. Drag your narration to your playhead and match. Now you need to check your audio.
Congratulations, GHS.
We can hear talking in the background, so we're going to bring down each clip rather significantly. We want to still be able to hear some of the background noise, but not too much. Drag it all down, and we want to give it a listen and see what it looks like. Make sure it's at -12.
You beat the goal for your last.
There you go. It's at -12. Next, we need to export. Click on Export at the top. Change the name to Blood Drive. You can click on the blue location and change it if you need to. It's already set to be MP4. Click Export, and it exports. then upload to Google Drive and turn it in as you normally would.